Stylish Pearls. Welcome back to my channel, and today you guys I'm just going to be showing you guys how I created this hairstyle. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my full lace wigs, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the video if you guys want to learn how I did this. So first you guys, I'm going to be taking my full lace wig unit and I'm going to be placing it on a dome head, mesh head, whatever head you want to call it. You're going to be taking your T-pins and you want to make sure you secure it on both sides of the wig unit. You don't want your wig unit to be snagging as you comb, so you want to make sure you have it very secure to the whichever head you're using. So I'm just going to start off by go ahead and parting my wig unit from ear to ear and parting it down the middle. And make sure, as you guys can see in the video, I'm just going to be making sure that everything's nice and neat, and I'm going to be clamping it along the way, getting the hair out of the way. This hair is air dry. For the most part, I did wet it just a little bit just to see how I wanted my braid and how I wanted everything to be laid down nice and flat. So you guys, as you see in the video, I'm just going to be taking my time, making sure the the parting, everything is straight, and I'm just going to clamp that away. And you guys, you didn't get a good view of the first braid, obviously, simply because I wanted to make sure that the braid was going to turn out right. This is my first time actually doing a style like this, so I didn't know how it was going to turn out. But I'm just going to take my setting lotion and I'm just going to press the hair going down. You want to make sure that this style is flat as possible, you guys. You want to make sure you take your time and do it neatly. So I'm just going to take a small portion of the top part of the braid, and I'm just going to start off by, making it really tightly, taking my time doing it. As you guys can see, this is, like I said, this is my first time ever doing this, so I'm just going to go ahead with it and start braiding. And as I'm braiding, I'm taking one portion from each side as I braid going down. And yeah, you guys, like I said, you won't be able to see this part of the video of the braid very closely, but I will show you guys on the next one, so just continue watching. So that is done, and now that I see that how I want my braid to be going, you guys, I love it. I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side, applying my setting lotion, getting everything nice and neatly combed straight to where I'm able to braid it and everything. So yeah, I'm just going to be start off by taking a small portion once again, and I'm going to start off by doing my 3-strand braid, you guys. And like I said before, I'm just going to be taking a small piece as I go along. As you guys can see, as I braid, I'm just going to be pulling a small piece from each side as I braid down. So yeah, you guys, this wig unit is from Stylish KENNA Units. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, where I'll be showing you guys, I have pictures and everything of all of my full lace, front lace, and closure wig units, you guys. This is the Amani loose wave wig that I'm creating this amazing style on. So make sure you guys check me out, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my channel, you guys, for more videos. I do upload once a week for the most part. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find this video helpful, and I hope you guys create this style for yourself on your wig units. If you do so, leave me a comment down below letting me know that you created this style as well. I'm done with the braid, I'm going to braid it down mid, not all the way down, but midway to the braid, and apply my rubber band. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. And as you can see, the braids came out nice and neat, you guys. You don't have no flyer waves. You want to make sure you get those out the way, and everything's nice and neat. Just to add my waves back into my wig unit, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner and some water to my unit, giving my waves a little bit, you know, wavy look. And yeah, you guys, this is the wig unit off of the mannequin head. So yeah, the style came out perfect, you guys. As you guys can see, this is a full lace wig unit from my hair collection. And yeah, you guys, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in my next one. Bye.